In today's video, I'm going to teach you add SKUs to products in Shopify. Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label your items so you can track inventory like a pro and fulfill orders quickly and accurately. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your products list. Choose the item you want to organize and open its details page. Scroll down until you reach the variants section. This is where your different sizes, colors, or styles are listed, each representing a unique version of the same product. In this section, look for the column labeled SKU. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. Think of it as your product's internal license plate, a compact code that identifies the exact variant that was ordered without needing to read the full product name or options. It's especially helpful when you're picking and packing or when you want to search your orders quickly. A good SKU is short, descriptive, and consistent. For example, for a dry fit shirt in navy, size small, you might enter DREI NVIS. That breaks down into dry fit, navy, small. Use a format that makes sense for your business and stick to it across your catalog. Many stores prefer all caps, with dashes to separate attributes. Avoid spaces and special characters that are hard to read or scan. Keep it brief but clear, and make sure each variant has a unique code so there's never confusion when you're restocking or fulfilling orders. If the product has only one variant, it should still get a SKU so it stays consistent with the rest of your inventory. Type your chosen SKU into the SKU field for the applicable variant. Repeat that for each variant in the list, so every size and color is clearly labeled. Once you've added the codes, click Save. This locks in your changes across your product record. Your SKUs are private to your team and won't appear on your storefront, so customers won't see them while browsing. However, they will show up on packing slips and shipping labels. That's where they really shine, helping you pull the right item off the shelf at a glance, reduce shipping mistakes, and move faster during busy times. They also make searching, reporting, and auditing inventory much simpler because you can filter by SKU anywhere it's supported in Shopify. That's all it takes. By adding smart, consistent SKUs to your products, you've created a tidy, reliable system behind the scenes. Your inventory is now clearly labeled. Your team has fewer opportunities to make mistakes, and your orders can go out the door with confidence.